have that appreciation, you'll always feel a budget constraint. If the top person who understands the budget is saying paisa nahi hai, he's watching the sheet which you are not watching. He's saying out of 100 rupees, I'm left with 40, I don't want to give you money. Understand that. You've got to understand. If you're in this room, you've got to understand. That's a capability requirement. Okay? So, here's what happens. In this dashboard, you can quickly see a leading and lagging indicator. This is like a sandbox. You know what a sandbox means? It's a loose place. You can always change things around. This sandbox, what it means is, like I said, when we did an Altus review, we saw that we really didn't pay attention to training in this third quarter. So immediately in this theme quarter, I put up training. And I started to chase training because this sheet in Altus, I manage. Okay? So we saw in the sandbox that that's one area. We also saw that we needed to meet some more deadlines. So when you see that, you'll shift to this quarter. Beyond a point, the sheet will become so easy that this is the only thing that you're paying attention to. If you meet all your deadlines in the theme quarter, you're good. You're not only good for 3 years, 5 years, also for 15 years. You get this? It really is quite simple. But what you have to do is do a genuine attempt to mark everything here and transfer here. Here you will have stuff like, my recruitment is in place, but my leading indicator is all my teachers are hired. My lagging indicators, I'm short by 300 students. That will remind you. Celebrations are something that we need to pay attention. Chote chote baaton pe. You have a small group working, so we had CMF, right? A lot of you know that we had CMF. CMF was a runaway hit. I'm told that we've done a lot of work in some cities. We took it by storm, totally. So CMF is a musical festival that we did for most of the CPSs. And it was a BTL activity, so let me not go get technical here. In advertisement, you have a direct marketing and indirect marketing. A BTL is below the line, which is an indirect marketing. So when you get parents through a musical program, etc., you're spreading awareness of your project without really doing direct marketing. So CMF was a tool to do indirect marketing. So some cities we did a really good job. There was a team here in Ahmedabad. So while the principals were doing their events there was a team that really worked for 6 weeks for CMF. Through every event. So they really did 5 events. So about 2 days ago, we did a chai party with the CMF guys. We spent about 1 hour just, going through memories of what worked, what didn't work, who said what, kaun se principal ne kya kaha. All of that we don't carry it to the room, okay? It's part of celebration. But you have to give people to close, a space for closure, a place to share. JGC just met the entire group's the target, business development target. So the target for this group, for the year, was 5 CPSs and 5 CPRSs. I cannot take it away from you. Go ahead and tell them what they are. Bataiye, your moment, JGC. Take it.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the honor. Cindy. Indeed, ma'am. All that what you said, giving the space and the honor and entire credit goes to you. I am not here to claim that credit, ma'am. Please do not.
You led the team, JGC.
No,
you led the team for this year.
It's and it's been going on in my mind, and I want to take this opportunity. We keep on visiting so many schools, and please, ma'am, 2 schools. We started new schools. KLX Public School, Ghatlodi, and KLX Public School, Bharuch. And here is a success story. Here is a name where what KLX can do. 3 years. Okay, so number of schools, something like 150 projects we have seen in last 2 years. And everywhere we talk. Ma'am was there with me yesterday in one school, right? That what KLX is, what KLX and what KLX can do. But thanks to you all, I'm telling you, I am not claiming the credit. I'm getting senti about it. No, not at all. But something that you feel happy sharing and talking about KLX, right? Something that you feel proud narrating to a person that I have a success story. There were only 208 students. precise number. 208 students. We thought some people will leave, and we put a target of 300. That year we closed with 312 students. Today we have 750 students, and the principal is very proud, saying, sorry, no more admissions. That is what CalRex can do. Right? So this is what has helped us. This is what CalRex has helped us to achieve the target. Management had put a target of 5 CalRex public schools to be introduced, to be effective from 1st April 2014, and 5 CalRex preschools to be introduced, to be effective from 1st April 2014. And cheers to CalRex. Cheers to CalRex. CalRex Public School, Jaipur. CalRex Public School, the principal is here, right? CalRex Public School, Jaipur. CalRex Public School, Bhavnagar. CalRex Public School, Vadodara. CalRex Public School, Bhopal. And now CalRex Public School, Indore. He doesn't know that. I didn't share with him. I was with him just 2 days back, but I didn't tell him that. I said, "आप वहाँ आ रहे हो, हम आपको वहाँ देंगे." Right? So 5 CalRex public schools will come about on 1st April 2014. The last one was Indore. The credit goes to Mr. The project.
Of course, of course.
That project he brought. That project proposal.
I only introduced. He did the closure. Entirely to him. Applause for him only, please.
Next year is applaud for you.
Yes. So 5 CalRex public schools. So this one, Indore school is a running school. 620 students are on today. Vidya Bhavan Public School.
He's already very keen to know Kansa school.
I saw that, which is a school in Indore. Right next to his school. Right next to his school. Immediate competitor is DPS Indore.
Collaboration now.
And he didn't know I had 2 purposes of visiting that place. I didn't share that with him. Purpose 1 was to meet Mr. Sachdev. When I am there in Indore, yes, we have to meet Mr. Sachdev. That was purpose 1 achieved. And I wanted to see DPS Indore. And I shared that plan. So that is one target.
So when I'll give you CPRS time. So when JGC goes there somewhere and says that CalRex is this blah blah, no blah, I mean serious.
Yeah, I did that. Yes,
serious blah. DPS Bhopal has reached. The work that DPS Bhopal has done has already reached them. Somebody knows the Shailendra Gupta. Somebody says, oh, what university wale ho. Unless your news has reached them, they will not trust you. That is where all of you play a role. So today, if we have a school in Bharuch, if you go to the nearby place, if your news has reached them, our job becomes easier.
certainly.
A lot of the early buy-ins or partnerships came because of a DPS Bhopal.
Absolutely.
Our work has to reach before us.
Those
That's
big
where
name
you
lady-
play a role in marketing.
big
Just
name
do your
lady-
work. That's it. Haji Devi.
Big name lady by name Manju Gupta. I started talking about CalRex. She said, sorry, thank you very much. I know CalRex very well. You don't have to tell me anything about CalRex. Tell me what is your offer. Right? Some proposal, business proposal. Immediately she said, that is done. I am giving this school to CalRex. You tell me what is your offer. So only thing to be considered is the negotiation and commercials. Otherwise, the fact that CalRex ko maine ye school dena, I have already decided. I have already made up my mind. Right? That is the level. All India level, the lady knows CalRex so well. Again, 3 cheers to CalRex. One more thing to share. We had 5 preschools ka target. Right? So we put, yesterday we signed the last of the target school. We signed one more for preschool in Thaltej. Okay? So that is the target, business development target for CalRex public schools and CalRex preschools have been achieved.
Okay.
13-14.
So you know we have a format
The next sentence is very important.
which is
That becomes 0.
so we have a format of celebration, and that I actually learned from Mrs. Dua's husband. वो रशिया से आए थे. Russia is a cold country, and so for everything they do a little tequila shot because it keeps them warm, right? So every time you do a sharing or a celebration, you raise a tequila shot, and then bottoms up. This is a dry state, वो कुछ तो होने वाला नहीं है. Everybody raise your bottle of water, do a yali ho to the target mat and drink a sip.
Now, I am seeking your blessings and your good wishes. Now, I was going to write in response to the mail last night that there are 6 weeks to go still.
Target of 14, 15
We all
pre.
know her very well.
Stay hungry.
Stay hungry.
Stay hungry. Stay hungry. And we are hungry lions, believe me.
We have one more project to go.
We have 2 more projects to go.
That depends on the lady sitting here. So I think all along with me, please push her through. Let her go and say the yes and we all
Wishes, good luck.
What did I say? I said
All the best.
All the best.
Thank you, JDC. Thank you. Thank you. Let me go. So that is your celebration, that's your rewards. You must stop to celebrate. In your functional teams, whenever you do an annual day, the guys who work the hardest, sometimes we say कि बाकी को बुरा लग जाएगा. No. The guys who work the hardest, everybody knows they work the hardest. Take them to chai if not for tequila. You must acknowledge, you must celebrate. Hanji?
I'll prepare homemade wine.
Next tomorrow thing is at Baruch.
The rest of these slides are rather standard. Strength, weakness, opportunity is just there so that you will remember what areas and opportunities you can. This is the most important. This is your differential element. Like JGC said, how does this put Calix apart from X school or Y school, however good they are. However good they are. And every school is doing their best because it's very, very competitive. So, you got to put, so this is the exercise for the next, 2 days. Before I go into that, I have to show you a motivational slide on, you want to load up mine, Prashant? Whoever you are, whether you are an IB school or a DPS school or a CPS school or a state board or a business development guy, the first thing you have to talk about is your value system. Whoever you are, you have to talk about your vision, mission, objectives. You have to talk about a mascot. You have to talk about core values. You have to talk about taxonomy. Your only job is to talk about why you exist. I dare say that Calix values, I dare say that vision mission statements, I dare say the concept of a YALI exists at its very best in this room and no further. That's because I work for it. How many of the teachers do not know what CCV is except getting a certificate on Calix Day? How many teachers do not understand? Most of your students hate YALI. How is it that you love YALI when your students hate it? How is it that you've never been able to present YALI the way they will love it? How is it? How is it, first and foremost, most of your students and teachers don't know the purpose of Calix existence, do not know what value systems we have.
Okay, Calix it goes. Everybody knows it in the presentation. Everybody is at the staff room. Many times we acknowledge them for that, for their values, but they.
So Calix certification hota hai. I know, Calix Day.
During the month also, any program, anything they do, they speak with accuracy, and we appreciate.
So good. We have to make our values live. They are not paper statements. They have to live in existence through our people, through our... What percentage of parents know that we have something called Calix values? Give me a percentage. Give me an honest percentage. Come on. Can I say 1%? Sure, na? 10,000 बच्चे हैं हमारे पास. 1% know that we have something called Calix values, and we call ourselves a value-driven organization. Wow. Sure. This room knows. What percentage of our teachers really know that we are a value-driven organization? We have a vision statement. Everybody? Give me an honest answer, please. Because when you find a gap, you'll work at it. If you close your eyes, you'll never get there. We're not evaluating, we're being honest. Brutal facts. You've got to open your eyes.
Then when admission inquiries come, we begin with Calix values, we introduce through Calix value to me.
Good. That is the principle. Of course, many principals may not be doing it. That's the principle. Sometimes the first inquiry may come to a class teacher or your admin person. Does she even know what Calix values are? We cannot call ourselves a value-driven organization if 90% of our people, our stakeholders, don't know about us. What Simon Sinek said there, the why. Who knows the why? Who knew the why before this? The importance of why I'm presenting to you after 20 years. What you'll do with it, I can only cross my fingers. So we cannot lose our purpose.
What we do with that, given a decision, we are introduce 60 values among our colleagues.
Thank you. That's my job. At least I got one buy-in. Okay. So we have to. Now let's come back to this, right? He talked about the why, how, and what. A lot of us exist here. And that is marketing. You have to talk about here. The rest they will do. The parents will do. Because when you see quality, you see quality. You don't need to be convinced beyond that.
May I share one
Ji.
very small other project people can do for a YALI, because now this fits near the amphitheater. Any visitor concept is everywhere across the project. So any visitor, whosoever is coming, so we request them. We have trained our students as well as our teacher who are in charge on this time. This is communicated and percolated everywhere. So whosoever come, and we click a photograph with them, and when we give them YALI, then we say that is YALI or basket. So these things like this CCD we can use it in other projects.
So this is one thing he talked about. The second thing he talked about is the law of diffusion, whatever he called it, right? Anyway, we've used this and I'm going to demonstrate it very, very easily. Every time when smartphones first came out, I simply know this because I sit right here. Whenever there is a new technology, I'm very early to adopt. At least my IT team will vouch for that. I'm extremely early to adopt. You know why? We are just risk takers. We just want to do it. But by being an entrepreneur, I am a risk taker. Correct? So I'm sitting here. A lot of people will judge it and say, "Pata nahi smartphone kya hai, touch screen kya hai, God knows," right? Here, this is the majority. He said there's an early and there's a late. Majority, maybe there are two parts. People will get in after the early adapters have moved in. There will be this segment, and then there will be, and then, like he said, the laggers are when everybody else, when the phone itself has no other option. We'll get into it. Now, in this, let's put it in our goals, and let me take the critical number of admissions. Remember what he said, at 18% you tip. Let me put it in another word, there's something we call critical mass. What he's saying is, if your student capacity that you are building your school for is 2,000, what's 18%? 360. When you hit 360 of your capacity of 2,000, you've tipped. That's when your critical mass is going to work for you. Till 360, you have to create your critical mass because you're here. That's where you as principals have to do one-on-one and get people to adapt to you. Once you get 360, you'll get into this part of the bell curve where even environment is going to help you. So the same example, when we started 1 or 2 or 3 schools, it was so tough. Then we got in here. It goes for any industry, any growth curve. So those are the 2 very, very important points that Simon brought into the discussion. I'm going to close here. So you all have the sheet, I'm told. You know where to go, what to do for the next 2 days.